A.
What did he get in trouble for? What did he do? Okay, maybe you can re-ban that guy.
What have we done? What have we done?
Okay, they can't all be like that. They can't.
If you're a sniper, do not drive forward. If you're a sniper, look, I'm gonna hold B. You go backwards. Look, I'm holding B.
So bad,
If you're a sniper, don't go forward. Literal cringe, dude. Actually, just fucking cringe.
What is this shirt? Oh, wait a minute. OTK is one true king? Holy shit, that's cringe as fuck. It's like, sounds like 7 years old kid, like group name or something. Like 7 years old boys gather around. Hey guys, wanna have some like our crew, you know? Oh yeah, what about one true king? Oh shit, that sounds good. But if we like call ourselves one true king, people gonna laugh at us, right? Yeah. OTK, hell yeah, high five, bro. Like that.
This woman in the car with me has a bad allergies. Do you have a Zyrtec?
No! Oh shit! Oh my god. Okay, oh listen, young man. My name is Hachu.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Oh shit. Oh shit, my name is Hachu!
Bless you, ma'am.
I didn't speak. Okay, my name is Hachu.
Gesundheit.
I hate you guys. My name is H-A-C-H-U! What's wrong with you guys?
What does that stand for? Is that like the YMCA?
No! No, it's just cute. Cute sound.
Okay.
What? Like an acute triangle?
Oh my god. Just please call me Hachu.
Bless you.
Bless you, ma'am.
Oh, you're just stuck in an endless cycle. Where you're doomed to repeat things over and over again. Sometimes you get back on your feet. And you're afraid of the same obstacles that you've already overcome once before. Because how many more times are you really gonna have to do them? Is there even a point to keep doing it? When it's like, does it even matter? Cause it's like, you keep trying, and it never works. Holy fuck! Holy fuck! You keep getting so close to your goal every time, and you just go back to the start.
I have cash in my car because I've been selling pot. Yes. No, actually, I didn't know where my debit card was, so I took the cash out of the cash jar. What do you mean, no? Britt, I spent like $5 of it. Like, what do you think I'm doing, huh? What? You really think that? Okay. Okay. No, you are not. Oh, because you had a dream about it. Okay. Are you serious?
Before we do that, we're gonna do.
Chompy's sitting like a human right now. Why is Chompy sitting like a fucking human?
Why is Chompy sitting like a human not
We
over
got
here?
2 legs poked out in both directions right now.
Bro, Chompus.
There we go.
He's like... Dude, poor Chompy, man. He gets too much shit. He doesn't deserve any of it. Chompy, come on, over... Chompy!
Chompy!
Hey!
Chompy!
Chompy!
Chompy's not so bad.
Such a good cat.
I think it's time to let that steed rest and mount a new stallion. I think it's time to re-energize and mount me. I can take you higher, further, wider, thicker than any before. And I know that at the end of all this, you'll find it in your heart of hearts to make the right choice.
How is he keeping a straight voice?
I've enjoyed
Such a.
gazing upon your
He's not even
graceful
laughing.
visage, and I can only hope
What the
you will
fuck?
decide to pick the biggest balls and the longest cock. 50 kilometers, which is like 65 miles or something. But thank you for your attention, and God bless you. I kiss your hand like a gentleman, not like a weird way.
Okay. Alright. Line up, guys.
Blaming me!
I wanted the sheep!
Fuck the sheep!
No, you fuck the sheep.
I'm Welsh, I'll fuck the sheep!
But Dad, you spend too much money.
Yeah, but I'll rather fucking skids.
I heard that.
There what?
You said
I didn't say
a
anything.
bad word.
No, I didn't say anything.
You're telling me I'm dumb,
No,
aren't you?
telling you just heard something that didn't happen.
Bro, you know that copy pasta? That's like all this chat is bots. I can prove it. Watch. I'm gonna post this on my other account. Well, somebody tried to start that by themselves. And it was like broken English. From these 33k viewers, I have 10k account. Watch me doing the same comment with my another accounts. He wanted us, guys, pace it for him, bro. He wanted to start his own copy pasta so bad. Please, bro, just let him.
Like, why is it that people like to hold how attractive someone is against them? Let me elaborate. People will be like, your viewers like the way that you look and like they want to fuck you. For starters, rude, gross, nobody asked. But secondly, even if people do find a female streamer attractive, what's the issue? What's wrong with finding someone hot? Like, as an example, a lot of popular male actors, especially when they star in like teenage dramas or whatever, the majority of their fan base is probably girls that think that they're cute or look up to them or whatever it is. You know, they're like, oh my God, I love him. Who the fuck ever cares? No one goes to them, yeah, your fan base thinks you're cute.